We'll be taking a look at different types of hosting services within different price ranges, so whether you're looking for the best option to host a WordPress website or something to host on a budget, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which web hosting service will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. Number 1 on our list is Bluehost. If you have a WordPress site, you will find that Bluehost makes everything very easy. If you sign up for a 1-year plan with this host, you will instantly get a free domain. There are also numerous dedicated web hosting plans you can choose from, and a few great options for those who need to handle a lot of web traffic on a regular basis. The WordPress hosting is ideal for those who want to create a WordPress site. Bluehost offers numerous tools that can be useful for building websites. These tools will allow you to manage your email, filter spam, and manage each of your domains. The customer support that Bluehost offers is also incredible. There is a live chat feature that will allow you to speak with an agent whenever you want. You can also feel free to send an email or call the 24/7 support number. These agents tend to be very helpful, and you shouldn't have to wait very long to speak with someone. The shared web hosting plans that Bluehost offers can be a good option for the budget conscious, but there are some drawbacks. Your site will be on a server with other people's websites, which can cause problems. There is also VPS hosting, which can provide you with up to 120 gigabytes of SSD storage and 8 gigabytes of memory. Bluehost is actually the recommended service host from WordPress themselves. So if you want to host a website using WordPress, this may be a great place to start. They have an impeccable uptime record and offer a variety of security options. Even the customer support is very impressive. This is a perfect hosting choice for bloggers to online business owners. DreamHost's Remixer allows you to create a website without having to go through any confusing steps. It has a drag-and-drop interface that is incredibly simple and easy to use. There are about a dozen different themes that you can look through. There are also more than 70 content layouts to choose from, so you should be able to find at least one that you like. The one-click installation that the DreamHost system offers is just amazing. It will provide you with 18 different apps, which isn't bad at all. Some of these apps include Get Simple, WordPress, MediaWiki, Open Web Analytics, Zencart, and Web Calendar. You should take the time to look into each of these apps, as they can make building and maintaining your sites a lot easier. The customer support that DreamHost offers is superb. There is an online chat feature that will let you speak with an agent whenever you want. It has a very clean and simple interface that shouldn't give you any problems. There is also a ticket-based support option that you can use. Agents are usually pretty good about responding to inquiries in a timely manner. Overall, DreamHost is a very smart choice when it comes to web hosting services. They have a wonderful reputation and even offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you happen to have numerous domains, this is an especially good option to consider. You will get top-notch customer support, and there are plenty of different plans to choose from. Number 5 on our list is HostGator. Launched in 2002, HostGator has established itself as an extremely reputable web hosting service with millions of customers all over the world. It promises 99.99% uptime, which is literally the best there is. You also get a 45-day money-back guarantee when you pay for any of their plans, which isn't bad at all. There is monthly and annual billing periods to choose from. Those who are transferring their site from another host to this one don't have to pay a fee. There are numerous website builder options with this host, including HostGator's own proprietary builder. It has a drag-and-drop interface that will quickly and easily let you build your site with contact forms, slideshows, and even links to your social media accounts. You also have the option of using WordPress, Joomla, Mambo, Drupal, Tiki, and other CMS platforms. WordPress hosting plans from HostGator can give you unlimited storage and 300K visitors per site, but only if you are willing to pay for the highest level option. This is a great option for those who have a WordPress site or want to create one. This web host's 24/7 telephone support and live chat features make it very easy to get the help you need, any time of the day or night. You hardly ever need to wait longer than 2 or 3 minutes to speak with an agent. There is also email support, which will provide you with a surprisingly fast response. One of the best things about this web host is that every aspect of it is completely user-friendly. You won't have to worry about having trouble doing anything. Even those who have never paid for these services before shouldn't have any issues. There are many web hosting solutions available, but HostGator is a good choice for most people. It has one of the most impressive uptime records of any hosting company, and they offer a variety of plans to match everyone's needs. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.